I study alcohol and drug problems in the context of lifespan development. I'm particularly interested in those vulnerable periods of life, like adolescence to adulthood, when there is an escalation of alcohol and drug problems. Everyone knows someone who has an alcohol problem. About 1 in 8 Americans at some point in their life will have a problem with alcohol. And so through research that we've had that's funded by the National Institutes of Health, we've been able to follow adolescents into young adulthood, actually all the way to age 35 now, and to try to investigate what in fact is the impact.
Sandy's research has been very, very useful in the treatment of adolescents and teenagers with alcohol and drug abuse problems. And we use her principles on a routine basis in treating them and in helping them move beyond addiction.
One reason why Sandra Brown's work has had sort of a profound impact and why she has become sort of a major figure in the field and is on national panels concerned with, adolescent substance abuse is because she has that expertise in sort of basic experimental psychology concerned with the normal developmental milestones that children and adolescents go through.
We used to think that alcohol in particular was not such a dangerous drug for adolescents, but based on our studies now, we know that brain functioning is more severely affected for adolescents than for adults who drink heavily. And so that's a very important finding. We actually go into the high schools over their lunch hour and provide a voluntary opportunity for teens to discuss alcohol-related issues. Actually, what we discuss are topics that are really important to teens, and we bring the alcohol and drug-related information into it. It's been a remarkably effective intervention with about 10% of teens at any given high school that we're at participating each year. Those teens who participate are twice as likely to try to cut down or stop drinking or using drugs, and they substantially decrease the problems that they have had with alcohol and drugs.
Sandy Brown is, to me, the epitome of a model member of the faculty here at UCSD and certainly in my department. She's a gifted, prolific research scholar. She is a super teacher and mentor and has begun and initiated the careers of a number of very successful young people in the study of addiction.
One of my goals for my research is to help both the scientific and the lay community think about alcohol problems during adolescence in a very different way so that we can intervene with teens earlier and more effectively.